Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una, salamat po at kayo'y narito to celebrate a very solemn feast, the feast of the most sacred heart of Jesus, a very compassionate God. I remember my parents po, ng mga lolo't lola, nagsasabi sa akin, sa kanyang mga anak, sa kanilang mga apo, huwag sumama sa mga masasamang tao. Do not company with bad people. Otherwise, you will be influenced and become one of them. My dear brothers and sisters, our Lord is not like that. He companied with the sinners. He was drinking and eating with the sinners. Ang kanyang mga kabarkada ay mga sinners. Ang kanyang effort was to influence them. Siya mismo ang mag-influence sa kanila to return to God. Very, very opposite po sa mga itinuturo ng mga scribes and the Pharisees. Ganon din po ang tinuturo ng mga scribes and Pharisees. Do not company with the sinners. That's why he was criticized. He was condemned. He was eating and drinking with the reject of society. My dear brothers and sisters, our Lord gave a beautiful parable, the parable of the lost sheep. And sabi ni Lord, who among you, kung merong isang sheep o isang alaga ninyo ay nawawala, hindi ba iiwanan ninyo yung iba para hanapin yung isang nawawala? That is what and how he sees the sinner. And he even said that there is more rejoicing in heaven for one sinner who repents than the righteous ones. Napaka-emphatic pong message sa atin that God does not condemn. It is people who condemns. As much as possible, we try to save, not to condemn. And that is the heart of Jesus. My dear brothers and sisters, if we want to be truly become genuine Christians, let us develop the heart of Christ to go after the sinners, to try to save them, not to condemn. Kaya po sinasabi that the best way to save yourself is to save somebody else. Kung ang focus mo lang ay yung sariling isave, hindi po mangyayari. The easiest and the best way to save oneself is to save another person who is lost. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, the message is, it is much easier to return to God than to the embrace of people. God is compassionate. God is forgiving. The Sacred Heart of Jesus is always welcoming. We ask the good Lord for His mercy and blessing.